Are 1 and 21 coprime numbers? Coprime numbers are numbers that do not have any common prime factor. 1 and 21 do not share any common prime factors, so yes, they are coprime numbers. Are 64 and 49 coprime numbers? The prime factorization of 64 gives us 2 into 32, which can be broken down into 2 into 16, which can be broken down into 2 into 8, which can be broken down into 2 into 4, which can further be broken down into 2 into 2, while the prime factorization of 49 gives us 7 into 7. As we can see, 64 and 49 do not share any common prime factor. Therefore, 64 and 49 are coprime numbers. Now moving on to the next question, are 121 and 119 coprime numbers? The prime factorization of 121 gives us 11 into 11, whereas the prime factorization of 119 gives us 7 into 17. As you can see, neither of the numbers share common prime factors. So yes, 121 and 119 are coprime numbers. Moving on to the next question, are 56 and 81 coprime numbers? The prime factorization of 56 gives us 2 into 28, which can be broken down into 2 into 14. 14 can be broken down into 2 into 7, at which point we can stop the prime factorization process for 56, whereas for 81 we get 3 into 27. 27 can be broken down into 3 into 9, and 9 can be broken down into 3 into 3. As we can see, neither the numbers 86 or 81 share common prime factors. Therefore, 56 and 81 are coprime numbers. Now let's do another one of these questions. Let's check if 120 and 152 are coprime numbers. First, let's do the prime factorization of 120. Since 120 is an even number, it's divisible by 2 and can be broken down into 2 into 60. Now, 60 is also an even number and it can be broken down into 2 into 30. 30 can further be broken down into 2 into 15, which can be broken down into 3 into 5. At this point, we can stop this process since both 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Now, let's do the same for 152. 152 can be broken down into 2 into 76, and 76 can be broken down into 2 into 38. 38 can be broken down into 2 into 19. At this point, we can stop this process since both 2 and 19 are prime numbers. As you can see from the prime factorization of 120 and 152, the numbers do share common prime factors, which in this case is 2, 2, and 2. So no, 120 and 152 are not coprime